This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a game pass on Roblox, a process that can free up your item slots or clean up old listings. Deleting a game pass is simple, but knowing the precise steps prevents common frustrations. We will navigate through the Roblox Creator dashboard, locate your specific pass, and then archive it. This action removes the pass from public view, meaning players can no longer purchase it for Robux. It is a quick and efficient way to manage your in-game offerings. First, you will need to access the Roblox Creator dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your creations. Once there, locate and click on the Creations tab from the left-hand navigation menu. This section displays all your experiences and associated assets, including game passes. From here, you can then select the specific experience that contains the game pass you wish to remove. It is important to choose the correct experience to proceed accurately. Now that you are in your selected experience, scroll down to find the monetization section and then click on Developer Products or Game Passes. You will see a list of all your created game passes. Hover your mouse over the game pass you want to delete, and a gear or three-dot icon will appear. Click this icon, and then select the Archive option from the drop-down menu. This step ensures the pass is no longer active. After confirming the archiving action, your game pass will no longer be visible or purchasable by players in your experience. It essentially becomes inactive, but it remains within your archived items list should you ever need to restore it in the future. This process effectively cleans up your storefront and ensures only relevant passes are available. Deleting a game pass is a simple maintenance task for any Roblox creator to keep their experiences organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.